So this is the demo class for SAP S/4HANA EWM RFC. RFC means when we call the function module, when we call the one function module, or when we transfer the data from ECC to EWM system, and also how we create the customer distribution model, okay, which contains partner profile, your sender receiver details, and many more. And here with the inbound process, with the confirmation control key, what is the importance and what is this is in real time, and what is the purchase order, how to create the purchase order in between ECC or EWM embedded. Here how we configure the ECC EWM document type with the item type. So here this is the deep configuration documents, but here I'm going to give you the demo class, just demo. We should not forget to give the confirmation control key when we create the purchase order, and when you select the confirmation control key, then only system will create the inbound delivery, else system throw error. And to create the inbound delivery, for creating the inbound delivery, this is the mandatory field, means confirmation control key. So without this, actually, if we give the confirmation control key at the time purchase order creation, when we create the purchase order, then we cannot do the GR through the MyGo transaction code, and we can do the inbound process GR without purchase order. And inbound delivery, we should not select the confirmation control key in the PO. So these are the very important points I mentioned here. This is the practical, how we do the configuration, how we go to the SPRO, then IMG settings, integration with other SAP components, then extended warehouse management, basic settings, then how we create the logical system, how we assign the logical system to the clients,